Actually, I want to know this from Palestinian or
Yes.
Saudi Arabia?
No. We are from Palestine and we looking for agency in Saudi Arabia.
Just
For the exhibition.
this is the Palestinian brand.
Yes. Our name is Shakira.
So there is any response from the people or
No, actually. Special day.
yes?
I think someone. Yeah.
Okay, so these are I know. This mean Zati. Yes, Zati. And I like this. And what is this? With this?
What else? Oil and
Because I have one Syrian friend. Okay, he always eating this. He always eating Zati.
okay.
And what is this?
So we're trying with garlic and sweet and this.
This is we can
पूरा रीजन हो ये वैसे भी एंटी बैक्टीरियल का फर्स्ट पॉइंट मिलता है और इसमें आने वाले लोग हैं ना जो वो कहीं और जाते भी हैं तो हमने देखा है कि वहाँ से होके दोबारा पाकिस्तानी चीज़ों में आके इंटरेस्ट करते हैं वो सारे लॉन्ग टर्म बिजनेस की बात कर रहे हैं।
अच्छा फहद भाई ये पाकिस्तानी प्रोडक्ट जो है उनका मेन स्ट्रेटजी क्या है?
ज़्यादातर ये लोग जो है डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नेटवर्क को तलाश कर रहे हैं
हाँ।
और इनका कहना ये है कि वो चेन स्टोर्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स और यहाँ के जो इम्पोर्टर्स हैं जो हाजी उमरा जो बिज़नेस है उसको कैटर करते हो तो इस टाइप की फॉर्म जो चाहिए और यहाँ पे जो इम्पोर्टर आ भी रहे हैं वो ज़्यादातर हैं भी इसी बिजनेस से।
नहीं एक्चुअली मेरा सवाल ये है कि जिस तरह अदर प्रोडक्ट्स भी होते हैं ना हर किसी के अपने अपनी स्ट्रेटजी होता है तो एज़ कम्पेयर टू अदर प्रोडक्ट्स ये क्या ऑफ़र कर रहा है कस्टमर को कन्विंस कैसे करता है कि क्या क्या ऑफ़र दे रहा है?
वैसे हमारा जो स्टॉल लगा है ना पाकिस्तानी इसमें बड़ी यूनिक प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जैसे अगर हम चावल की बात करें तो इनके पास जो चावल की वैरायटी है उसकी प्रिपरेशन है प्रोसेसिंग है वो यूनिक है डिफरेंट है और प्राइस बड़ी कम्पिटेटिव दे रहे हैं ये कर्नल पॉप शायद मार्केट में जो है वो इस टाइप की प्रोडक्ट 1 या 2 अवेलेबल है पूरे रीजन में कम्पीट कर रहे हैं विद मैनी फ्लेवर्स साथ में जूस है नो वैल्यू शुगर एडेड जूस जिसकी जहाँ पे डिमांड है और प्योर नेक्टार के साथ है वो बड़ी अच्छी एक चीज़ है और कैन उनके पास जो पैकिंग है वो पैकिंग
strategy to convince the customer or client over your product as compared to other customers?
Okay, so for that, there's no need to compare us with other products. We are like giving them the product itself, and they can try it for free, like for 13 days, and after that they can make their own decision.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Best
much.
of luck for
Thank you.
future.
Have a nice
Thank
day.
you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you.
First of all, hello Pakistani people. I hope you are very well and in good health. About us, about Razaz, I think Razaz is name in Pakistani or Indian, something like that. The brand name Razaz is I name Razaz for my wife. First of all, we serve one of the best coffee in the world, or the best inshallah next years. We serve mojitos and we serve plain brownies also, cookies. Saudi Arabia like the strategy of how to play of all people.
So what about how's your found the reaction? People, customer visit here. Have you closed some deals? And how you find the Saudifodex here?
For exhibition?
Yes.
Yeah. This is my first time to do that booth. I have so many connections right now. A lot of people ask, what is this? What company you are? We are not company. We are just a small company, as you want to say. But inshallah, we will be better than this.
Inshallah, we will see you in the market.
Inshallah.
Thank you.
Something I would like to add.
Okay, sure.
If you don't have a perfect team or good team, as I have, you will never success. I have the best team in the world.
Mashallah.
Those are who support me. Those are who give me that feeling you will be success. Inshallah, we will go together.
The order was always here.
Was there a month?
Yes, it is.
What was the expectation about same with customers?
So far, I think it is amazing, and the customers really like the system. So we expect that there will be a success here in KC.
So what is your strategy to convince your customer or client or investor over your product? What is your strategy as compared to other companies or as compared to other products?
Well, essentially, end-to-end solution. So we do have all of the modules that are required for restaurants, for money delivery, online services, as well as the back-end like inventory. So we do have our strengths in that. That's how we are planning to actually do the acquisitions in terms of the functionality, user-friendliness, stability as well.
Okay, thank you. Best of luck for the future.
We specialize in baking all types of coffee and tea, the instant coffee and tea. All ingredients are natural ingredients. Most of the ingredients are sourced locally or from big international markets. And our participation in this trade show is the first time for this year, and the response so far is great. We had many deals done today, and the visitor rates and the satisfaction is above our expectation.
Okay. How you find the Saudifodex response from customer? Have you closed some deals?
Yes, actually some deals has been already closed today, and I think the coming days also will bring more deals, and it's really advise every new growing company to participate in such trade shows, because really the Saudi market is a very big market, and there's greater opportunities, especially after the Corona time.
So I hope that we will see your products soon in the market. Thank you so much. Can you please explain to our audience what's the products you have right now and what's the products you are presenting here in Saudifodex?
Okay, we are from Spain and we have ice cream manufacturer. And we have mochi ice cream. It's a Japanese dessert. It's a rice dough filled with ice cream. We also have plant-based ice cream. And we have the fruits ice cream. It's the natural cell of the fruits filled with ice cream.
Okay, so how's you find today is the first day of the Saudifodex and the soft opening here. So how you find the market? People visited here. Have you closed some deals in the future? So
Okay, for us it's the first time in Saudi Arabia.
Yes, for the first time. How's your experience?
Really good.
It's really good.
Yes, we like really the people. It's really good with us, with the foreign people.
So we can hope that we can see you in the future.
Yeah, we are trying to find a distributor in the trade show. The people is coming here and they like our products, so we.
So have you found anyone right now or not?
Oh, not right now. We have to start talking with them.
Please explain. Can you please give us the intro? How is what
Hi
are
there.
your products and?
Thank you very much for visiting us. It's very nice to be here. The customer come every moment, every time, and then they enjoying the product. We are our twins. Made the product in Saudi, Hyderabad and border of Kuwait. We have different kind of cookies with orange, chocolate, and with the pistachio. We have coffee gawa as well.
Okay. So what about the market response? Today is the first day, and the house you found the Saudifodex.
Alhamdulillah, very good. The customer, the client come, they are very interesting. They are very happy with the product. It's a product that is not heavy, is light, less sugar.
So have you closed some deals?
Definitely, yes. We have dealing not only in Saudi now, we sign deals with Jordan, even in Europe are interested in this product. Alhamdulillah. So far so good.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm Hungry is a local brand here in Saudi Arabia. We started at 2015 in Jeddah. We have new concepts of food companies, restaurants. We're starting with adding fresh meat to the burger. This is our concept, and we're starting from 2015. Now we have 14 branches here in Saudi, in Jeddah, and we expansion, inshallah, to the kingdom, along them with the franchise models. And also internationally, inshallah, we will start next year.
So this is why my question is exactly that are you going to extend your business to internationally to other countries, or this time only you want to expand in Jeddah in the kingdom?
The first one, we are working with the kingdom, around the kingdom. The phase two, inshallah, we will start with the GCC's countries, like Dubai and all GCC's countries, then Egypt, and then we will go to the next countries, Islamic countries, like Pakistan, Bangladesh, Malaysia. This is our next step, inshallah.
Okay, so finally I want your message for the Pakistani community. To promote your product there in Pakistan.
Inshallah, we will be in Pakistan soon, and we will provide a high quality product from Jeddah, from Saudi Arabia, near Makkah. So this is our plan, inshallah, will be in Pakistan, inshallah, soon.
Thank you, best of luck for your future, and we hope to see you inshallah.
Inshallah,
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Thanks.
Okay. You are offering here.
Okay, we're offering one mochi. It's a Japanese mochi, but we produce in Spain. It's a rice dough filled with ice cream. It's
what
a
is-
really new product.
So, what is the response in the Saudi market too?
It's really good. The people is surprised; they never see it. So it's really good. It's innovative. It's a different way to eat ice cream because you do it with your hands instead with a spoon or with.
The order was always here. Brother, this is every